How can I make my YouTube Shorts or TikTok vertical videos look a bit more pleasing to the eye when I share them on my Ko-fi page? In Adobe Express, I'm going to start with the Video tab and choose YouTube Video. I don't need templates because I know exactly what I want to make. In Elements, I choose Design Assets and Search Mountain because that was the background for this particular video that I want to showcase. Click Set as Page Background. Earlier, I downloaded the video I want to use, so I'm going to upload it into this new project. I also want the PNG image, but when I tried uploading the two files together, it did funny things. So upload them separately and resize them to fit your page. With the image selected, go into Effects and choose Darken. Next, go to Adjustments, and here I want to turn everything down to -100. Contrast, brightness, highlights, shadows, and saturation. Increase blur to 100. This is going to give me a nice drop shadow effect. But when I just drag it behind my video, it isn't showing. Now I'll use crop, where I can pull out the sides and get more of that blur. One thing to notice here is if you don't pull out your crop far enough, you'll get a really hard line down the sides. So to get that really soft look, just drag out the crop as far as it will go. If it's looking a bit too dark and heavy, change the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity. Something like 60%, for example. Oh, one more thing, I need to change the background to blue to match the original video. This won't win any awards for originality, but it looks better than all that empty black space. And until we get a drop shadow feature for images and shapes in Adobe Express, it does the job.